Okay, so imagine you've got a zoo, but all the animals sleep inside at night. And you bring them all up to the top part of the house, or the middle part of the house actually. And then that's where you stay till tomorrow morning. Well, you can't put anything in the drawers because the monkeys just take it out. They're all eating some things. Duncan is also around. And then that's Lily, the smallest little one. But if she gets on top of you, you're not getting her down because she wants to ride with everywhere you go. The dogs are just chilling out over here. And there Daisy goes. Trappies. Some of the other dogs. Tracy. And then of course, we've got the cats over here. That's where they are. So, put a cat over here. So yeah, that is how you do it. If you've got a zoo and you want them all, or actually they were just spoiled, so they do sleep upstairs. They don't sleep at the bottom. Some of the cats sleep downstairs. And then of course the tigers. Let's see where the tigers are. Let's see where they are. There is Diego over there. Oh, I forgot to put the light on again. Let me just go do that. Whoa! These two boys are just... Let's see what they do. They don't fight. They are just showing each other who's the boss. I actually got Diego to be friendly while I feed him today. And I think I figured it out. And it was just the opposite of what you might think. Seems like when he eats, he does not want too much food. He needs a little less. And what happens then is he doesn't feel like he needs to protect it. He's going to eat it. But if he does not have the capacity to eat more food, then he's not... Let me just concentrate on them for a second. Then if he's able to eat it all, then he does not need to protect it. And seems like that was the problem. I think I overfed him a little. And he wasn't hungry when he got fed. So that was a bit of a problem. He kept on feeling like he would have to spend time protecting his food after he ate. So I'm going to be feeding him a little less. Let's see those monkeys again. Here they are. Lily is absolutely gorgeous, but when she gets on me, I'm not going to be able to put her down, and she's tied up at the moment. And then it's going to be very difficult to get her down. Chaka over there, he's just unpacking stuff. Zena just made a little cave there for herself. Arnie and Duncan. She's got a fish there that she plays with. And we're just waiting for the doggies to come up. They pin... Oh, that's right over here. So they're going to be coming up within a few seconds. Well, we don't have anything to worry about. At least we can get some trading from Mr. Miyagi over there. So as soon as we don't cope, we just put a little more effort in. Look at little Arthur right here. So these little puppies and all of these dogs. Now look at Troppis, he is so loyal, he's not coming inside, although he knows them very well already. And Lily is still trying to manipulate us into coming closer, because when you come any closer, that's it. She's on you, you won't get her off. They're just unpacking all their toys now. They're going to be playing for at least an hour. And then they're just going to go to sleep. Let's quickly check those tigers out again. Diego over there. Enzo taking a walk right over there. Enzo-kie! They're all going to go to sleep within a few minutes. I'm busy with their roof. On top there you can see some timber and stuff that I'm busy with. I haven't even gone to switch off everything. I'll be going down, switch that off within a few seconds. Well guys, thanks for watching. So always keep that in mind. You want to have a zoo, sometimes the animals sleep inside. So, good luck. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening.